Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring QT Hair. Big thank you to QT Hair for sponsoring today's video. You already know what time it is. Let's jump right into this look. So today I have an 8x5 22-inch body wave wig. This is 180 density. This is what came inside the package. I love this little purple get up right here. You have a comb, you have a little teasing brush, and you have an edge brush. Super cute. And this is the hair. Comes in the consistent body wave, you already know. And this lace is pre-cut. So let's get into the construction of this wig. So this is what the inside looks like. You have 8 across, 5 going back. You do have a removable, detachable, elastic bands as well as combs. You can remove those combs inside of the wig because I know sometimes those are really uncomfortable. So I love that they're giving you the option to just take those out. So here I'm just seeing how far the part goes back. It does go back pretty far. So I'm just going to press that out because we're going to keep her in the middle part. So this wig, I decided to go for a glueless install. But what I love about this 8x5 and this lace is it's basically a frontal. It is basically a frontal. A frontal is what, 13x4, but where this lace stops, which I will show you, because as I was pressing this out, I'm like, wait a minute, this lace, this is when I realized that the lace goes all the way to the ear. You can adhere this down with your spray or glue and it will give frontal tease. You have all the lace that you need. So I decided to do a glueless install because anytime I have the option to not use spray, I'm going to take that option, especially for a install video. So here I'm just showing you, this is a true 8x5. So I'm going to put my lace concealer on my part now just to brighten up that part. And we are going to define these body waves. One thing I really like and that stood out to me about this wig is the 180 density. This is a very full wig. Now I know I'm not alone when I say this, but some of the wear and go wigs that are on the market are not full. They look good, but once you get your hands on it, you realize that it is low density. This one, you really do get 180 density worth of hair, and I can appreciate that. So here I'm just going to curl everything going back because I want to just leave it in that classic body wave look. But as I was curling the hair and parting the hair, I'm saying to myself like, yo, this is a lot of hair. So that's why I emphasize that this is truly 180. I did get a little bit of light shedding as I was combing through the hair, but that is to be expected. Plus, I did not wash this hair. Usually, I would co-wash it with conditioner and let it air dry. But baby, the way August is hitting, nobody has time, okay? So that was to be expected because, of course, it's right out of the package with no conditioner. But nonetheless, the hair was very soft, and as you can see, it curled really well. I did not use hairspray before the curling iron. I didn't use any BioSilk. This is just straight hair, curling iron, and these are the results. So I'm curling everything going back, and this hair is still very full after combing out those factory body waves. Look at this. This is just one side. I've gotten wigs where this one side was the whole entire density of the entire wig. So shout out to QT for actually giving you a full density wig. I must say most people I know would want to pluck this hairline a little more. That is something that I did not do in this install. I was really going for a straight out of the box install, wear and go, no glue, snatch her on, snatch her off. So that's what we did. But you can go in and pluck this some more and take advantage of that 8x5 because I love that option because frontals can get super expensive, but this one is definitely affordable and I feel like it's less work than a frontal, especially since it's pre-cut lace. So here I'm just pulling the curls apart and I'm loving the way this is looking. Don't worry, it's looking a little limp, but it's going to come together. This is the back. Look, even when I pull the hair apart, you see how full it is. So what I decided to do was clip the very ends of this. This is 22 inches. I'm fairly tall, so I clipped this because I wanted it to give more of a full look. I didn't feel like I was losing too much length because, I don't know, it was giving 20, but Yeah, so I clipped it just a little, and I like that more of like a even blunt look. Even though it's a wig, it just looks healthier when the hair is cut blunt like that instead of like the straggle ends. So I'm gonna cut very light layers into the front because I wanted that like blowout bang look in the front, and I'm just gonna fluff everything out, recurl it where it needs to be curled, and that is it. This hair was so easy to install. I love these easy beginner wigs, especially if you are on the go and you just don't have time. This is a good wig for you. I'm going to have all the details down in the description box in case you are interested. I have recently collaborated with QT Hair, and I actually really loved that wig. That was a Yaki bob, and that bob was banging, baby. Okay, I'm not even a bob girl, but that bob was giving grown. Yeah, come see me in my office. That's what that bob was giving. So I will link that at the very end of this video. This is the final look. Don't forget to leave a like, a comment, an emoji, something. Interact with the video, engage with the video. Y'all, I have some new content coming. I promise. I got some new content coming. I know I've been hitting y'all with these hair videos, but it's leading up to something great. So until next time, I'll see you beauties in the next video. Bye.